next chapter is 12th chapter, algebraic expressions. Topics to be covered: algebraic expression, operations on polynomials, factors of a polynomial. First topic, algebraic expressions. Let us first review what you learned about algebraic expression in the previous classes. What is a constant? A quantity that has a fixed numerical, for example, 3, 4, 15. These are the constant values. The next one is variable. A quantity which can take various numerical values is called the variables. For example, an unknown number represented by a letter of alphabets, like example P, Q, or X, Y, Z. These are the variables. It is called a literals. Literals are usually used in a algebraic to represent a variables. Now, an algebraic expression is the combinations of constants and literals connected by the signs of the fundamental operations. For example, algebraic expressions 5x squared y. This is the algebraic expression. A plus 2b. This is also a algebraic expression. 3x plus 4y minus 5 by 2 z. These also algebraic expression. Next one is terms. The terms of an algebraic expression are part of the expression separated by positive or negative sign. For example, AB positive, 3ab squared negative, 8a squared b. This separate the terms of the expressions. In this terms having two types. The first one is like terms. The second one is unlike terms. Like terms. The terms in an expression which have the same literal factors are called like terms. For example 2x squared y comma 8x squared y. Like terms because here the literals are same and powers also same. It is a like term. Unlike terms, the terms in an expression which do not have the same literal factors are called unlike terms. Example 3ab comma negative 5x squared y. Here the literals are different, so it is a unlike term. The next topic is degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomial in one variable is the highest power of the variable. For example, 4x plus 2. Here the degree of polynomial is, here the literal is, variable is x. The power is 1. So the degree of polynomial is 1. The degree of polynomial is 1. The degree of polynomial in more than one variable is calculated by adding up the power of the variables in each term. For example, 5x cubed y squared minus 2x squared y minus 2. Here adding the power of the first term. The first term power is 5. The second term power is 2 plus 1, 3. Here 3 plus 2, that is 5. The highest power of the polynomial is, degree of the polynomial is 5. So the degree of polynomial is 5. Topic is number of terms in polynomials. The first one is monomial. A polynomial with one term is monomial. It can either be a constant or a variable or a product of both. For example, 6x squared. This is the monomial. Negative 9 and x squared y. These are all monomials. The second one is binomial. A polynomial with two terms is a binomial. For example, 4y minus 3. This is the binomial. Two terms. The next one, 6x squared plus 2y. The third one is trinomial. A polynomial with 3 terms is a trinomial. For example, 2x squared minus x plus 1. Here having 3 terms. So it is a trinomial. Next topic is 12.2 operations on polynomials. The first one is addition of polynomials. To add 2 or more polynomials, group the like term and add their constant coefficients. Example, add negative 4x squared y squared plus y cubed plus y plus 1 and negative 2x squared y squared negative 3y cubed negative 5. Solution. First write down the question. Negative 4, the first expression is negative 4x squared y squared plus y cubed plus y plus 1. This is the first expression. Write the first expression as first. Second expression, negative 2y squared. Adding the like terms. So, negative 2x squared y squared y cube. In the second expression having y cube value. So, 3y cube. In the second expression does not have y value. So, plus 0. The constant value is negative 5. Now, you can add the two expressions. Positive 1, negative 5, negative 4 plus y. Positive 1, negative 3. Y cube as it is y cube. Positive 1, negative 3, that is negative 2. Here x squared y squared, they are like terms. So x squared y squared as it is x squared y squared. Negative 4, negative 2, that is negative 6 is the answer. The next topic is subtraction of polynomial. To subtract a polynomial from another, change the sign of each term in the expression to be subtracted and then add the polynomials. For example, subtract 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 from 6 minus x squared. Solution. Here the question is subtract from this term, this expression to this expression. So, here the first expression having 3 terms, the second expression having 2 terms. From means this expression subtracted this expression. So, negative x squared terms common. The second one is x terms. There is no x terms, so you can put 0. Next, the constant term is plus 6. The second expression, 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. Now, you can subtract. In this definitions, you can change the sign of the expressions. Every term sign. Here, the sign of the constant value is positive, can change negative. Here, the x term value is negative, can change the positive. Here, the 3x squared term is positive, you can change negative. Now, the values, the signs will be changes. Now, you can add the values. 6, positive 6, negative 2, that is 4, positive 4. Here, positive 0, positive 7, positive 7x. Here, the x square terms, x square. Negative 1, negative 3. Negative 1, negative 3, that is negative 4. Exercise 12.1, the first question. Identify which of the following expressions are polynomial. If the expression is not a polynomial, say why. The first question is x cubed by 3y minus 3x squared by 4 minus 2 by 5. Solution. In this expression, here the y is in denominator. The law of 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. Here the y is 1 by y is equal to 1. Y power negative 1. in this expression, the literal value having a does not having a negative power. Algebraic expressions, the literal value does not having a negative power. In this expression, the y value having a negative power, so it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. In question, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. The question is x y squared minus y cube plus y power 4 plus 6. Solution. Degrees of polynomial taking the terms power values. The first term having two literals, x power that is 1, y power 2. Adding the power values, the first term 1 plus 2 that is 3. Second term also the power value is 3. The third term the power value is 4. The degree of polynomial is the highest power. Here the highest power is 4. So therefore degree of polynomial is 4. Third question, arrange each of the polynomials in A. ascending order of the first variable and B. descending order of the second variable. The question is 1 minus p q cube plus p squared q power 4 minus pq. Solution. First one is ascending order. 1 minus the first variable, ordering the first variable. So the first variable is p cube minus p power 1. Here also p power 1. p q cube plus p squared q power 4. This is the ascending order. Next, B. descending order of the second variable. The second variable is q. Descending order means largest to smallest. The descending order, so the largest value is this value. So p squared q power 4 minus p q power 3 minus p q plus 1. Homework sum. First question, second question, third question, fourth and fifth question. These are the homework sums.